One of the most important things when you're selling online is that your website needs to be secure. And the way that customers look on a website to see if it's secure is they look for a padlock on the secure pages. And in fact, nowadays you can get better than that. You can get what's called Green Bar EV SSL security. And basically that means as well as a padlock, you get like a green bar on your browser that shows that the website is secure. Now, as you're using RomanCart, you don't need to worry about that because RomanCart will do all of that for you. But here's the thing. SSL security only works if everything on the page is secure as well. So in other words, if you've uploaded logos and that kind of thing and you've customized the cart to show your own logos, those logos need to be stored on SSL Webspace. If you don't do that, then your customers are going to see a message saying that things are not secure. And you can't just, typically your web space that you've got with your hosting provider is unlikely to be secure. Obviously check with them, they might have a place where you can upload it, in which case you can do that. But don't just upload images and link to them from your normal kind of web space because you're going to have problems. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Here's our demo store here. If I click on add to basket, so our logo is this World of Wines logo at the top here. If I click on the checkout button, then you'll see this message appears. The logo isn't stored on secure web space. Security warning, we've got a padlock with an exclamation mark on there. Do you want to view only the web page content that was delivered securely? This web page contains content that will not be delivered using a secure HTTPS connection, which could compromise the security of the entire web page. Now, of course, most people haven't got a clue. Most of your customers probably won't have a clue what that means, but one thing's for sure, they're going to probably abandon purchasing from you if they get a message like that, because it just you just think, what's that all about? So you want to make sure that doesn't happen. And the way you do that is you need to upload your images to secure web space. And I'll show you what you can do to do that. Let's just return to basket there. Oh, and one other thing as well. On RomanCart, the SSL web space starts on the checkout page. The cart page doesn't need to be secure because there's no sensitive information on there. SSL security is designed to encrypt sensitive information, like on the checkout page where you enter your name and address and that kind of thing. You won't see the SSL on the cart page. If I switch to the control panel here, you can see now the screen we're looking at here is in Manage Secure SSL Images. We can upload our image here. So if I just select our World of Wines logo there and upload that. Okay, so now we've got the World of Wines logo uploaded, and it gives you a new URL for that image. So if I just copy that, and I'm using a PC here, so I can just press Control and C. That copies that. If you're using a Mac, you want to press the Apple button and C. And if I switch to the customization of this cart, here we are. And then if I just highlight the header, the code for the image, this is the header code for cart pages. This image is going to appear on all pages. It doesn't matter. An image that's stored on SSL Webspace can be displayed on a non-SSL web page. That's not a problem at all. Yeah, it's just the other way around you want to worry about. So if I just paste that in, I press Control V. And if you're on a Mac, you press the Apple button and V. So as you can see there, now we've got HTTPS, and this is the URL of the image that I just uploaded. I need to save this customization at the bottom there. Let's just save that. Okay, now if we switch back to the cart, now this is looking at the basket page. Now if I click on the checkout button, you watch what happens. This is really cool. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just move this down here. Here we are. This is better, right? So you can see now, firstly, you can see the padlock there. You can see it's all green. This is what they call SSL EV security. It says identified by VeriSign, and it talks about RomanCart and the security, and you can even click on that, and it gives you, it gives you the kind of security information of the certificate, and that's what you want basically. So now, of course, the nasty message we saw earlier on doesn't appear, and the World of Wines image that we've got up there is now stored on secure web space.